Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is 10:25 in the morning on October 26, 2021. I want to bring something to everybody's attention. There is a lot of time that's missing, and it's missing everywhere. There's stuff they are not wanting us to see. Our sun has been erupting on the northeastern limb, and it's ugly. Watch this. I'm going to show everybody something here. You ready? 1424, 1242 to 1423. That's almost 2 hours. And look at this. It goes up every minute. So that's what, an hour and 40 minutes? Roughly? I mean, yeah, hour and 41 minutes. What the heck happened there? Hard knowing. But either way, we are in constant state of C flare. And there you're getting M's pop. Boom. Look at this. Constant radiation. Constant X-ray. I'm going to show y'all. I'm outside, so if it's a little windy, I do apologize. Here we are. Here's our baseline. It's been B for it's been B for the last week, and then boop, we popped up into C, another C. So we got, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3. But looks like a 4, 5, 6, 7 C's, and an M 1.33. Like what? Is this a joke? Nope, it is not a joke. Let me show you. This is Space Weather Prediction Center, by the way. 24 observed max. We are in R1 for warning, if you will. But here we are. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. This may not be showing it, but 4, 5, 6. Yep, 7. Oh, looks like we got 8 in C. We live in C. Let me go to 7 days. There you go. So here now, it's the last 7 days. We went from living in a B class solid X-ray. Now we're up here living. Yeah, here's the B's. Whoop, just living in B, and then bam, now we're up in C. It looks like we might be coming back down a little bit, but either way, that's not good. Now wait till you see what's coming around the bend. Let me show you some other missing data first. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Let's go here. Soho movie theater. And let's see. 1224. Wait a minute. Oh, it started me over, didn't it? Keep an eye on the time. Oh, there was some missing data there. Oh, there's some missing data there. There's 2 frames missing. Wait a minute. How do we do that? From last night at 21:36, okay, that's 9:36. This is UTC time, and it runs on 24 o'clock to 7:48. That's 8 hours of missing data. I mean, well, actually, that's 7 hours. Add 3 to it. That's 10 hours of missing data. Where'd it go? Hello. Wait a minute. Well, let's come over here and check this guy. See what he's got to say about it. Oh, same thing. 21:54 to 7:42. 10 hours of missing data on LASCO C2 and LASCO C3. They don't want us to see it, folks. I mean, it just all of a sudden, boom, there it is. Why did it all of a sudden get that far? I mean, and this is, some of this is coming our way. Let me show you how ugly this is. This is what has the elite panicked right here. All right, we are at SDO. I'm in a different portal for it, but I'm going to show you anyway. Look at that. Look at that. Look in the upper left corner. Look right over in here if you're not watching. Look at this thing. Woo! Almost looks like the NBC logo, doesn't it? Those arcs are ugly. Look at all that is throwing out. Look at all this. And this is today. This is a pissed off sun. Now this starts off from yesterday. Okay? I'll actually run it forward pretty quick. Look at that. Y'all seeing that? I mean, this thing's thrown off over here. Watch. You guys see it? Oh, watch. She'll go whoosh. Whoosh. Did you see that right here? Yeah. This is just a pissed off sun, no matter how you want to look at it. That, I'm not gonna lie, this is worrisome. This should bother everybody. This is coming around at us. Plus, you've got all of this and this. I mean, this is not good. All of this is why we're in a constant state of B and C's, because this constant activity. Now, it's not throwing off flares or CMEs, but it's in a constant state of flare. I mean, look at it all lit up. And you got that top left side coming around the bend that's adding to it. Oh, yeah, this is great. You can't tell me that's normal. In fact, let's go check out a different color, shall we? So we'll go back. This is what the SDO data looks like. You just come over here and you change it to whatever you want. Okay. Let's go to red 304. All right, we'll hit submit. Oh, sorry, I got one saved here. Close that down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are they doing here to us? Why does that not surprise me? Look at it. Oh. They're starting to black it out. Hold on. This is something new. They are trying to hide something they don't want us to see. Where does she go black? Huh. Maybe it's just not catching up. I don't know. Look at all that, folks. Don't care who you are. That's a problem. Lucy, we have a problem. Lucy, you got some explaining to do. Yep. Pucker up, buttercup. Clench up them butt cheeks and, hey, you know what? Maybe if we all put a lump of coal in our butt when we're all clenched up, we might produce a diamond afterwards. I'll tell you what, it's definitely got me tightened up. Let's check out let's go to my favorite. We'll go to my favorite here. That's the really nice thing about all this is you can select all of it, and you can choose your days, and it'll go all the way back to wherever you want. Here's my favorite right here. 211, 193, and 171. The reason why, it overlays, sorry for the noise, folks, that was actually a front end loader that went by. Because this thing really gives you a good idea of what's happening with all the colors. But they do shut it down short. They only let you see the 25th. They don't let you go to the 26th, and they know exactly why. Them little turd buckets. Let's take a look at it in another angstrom here. Let's see. Let's go to this one here. I think this one was pretty good. I looked at it earlier. Yeah, this is a good one. Look at that. I'm actually going to hit pause. I'm going to do it myself. One at a time. Let's go back. Alright, one frame at a time. Might even get a picture of a friend in here. Since we're going to go... Oh, see him? There's a little friend. Right there. Now, keep your eyes up here. Watch this. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. It's not stopping at all. Look at that arc just forming. I mean, it's huge. It's coming off the sun so far. Ooh. Yeah, that's a pissed off sun right there. Let's check out another one, shall we? Let's go to this guy. I think this one does a pretty good job too. Really kind of lets you know, as far as like the colors go, it gives you a different. Pause you. It's having a hard time wanting to load. All right, here we go. I'm going to go one frame at a time, but I'm going to kind of speed it up a little bit instead of just click, click. You can really get an idea for the color variance as far as temperatures go. Look at this. Oh, that's ugly. Oh, what was that? Friend. Haha. What is this perfectly round thing right there? That's like perfectly round. Interesting. Almost like our sun just popped out a planet. Oh, look, there's another one ready to pop. See that? Oop. Look at that. Perfectly round. Oh my gosh. And that's coming around at us, folks. So everybody pay attention. They're shorting data on us on purpose. Please be prepared, folks. Make sure that you have plenty of food, plenty of water, and a ways to heat them and cook it. Like, seriously. Not a bad idea to get started. Love y'all.